Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create an image using AI tool. Here you can go and type image FX AI. Here you can get different AI tools. In this video we are going to use this one. Here you can go and create a free account. Simply you can see here login button on the top right corner. Click here continue with Google, and now you can select your Gmail account. After that, now let me go back ChatGPT and create a prompt. Okay, within few seconds ChatGPT will create a prompt. Now if I scroll down, I can easily copy these prompts, this one, and then let me go back. Here you can see these are different useful tools. First one I am going to use, I can add the prompt here, then scroll down. Here you can select number of images. Then most important thing is that you need to add aspect ratio. So this one is recommended. Scroll down and click here generate image. Within few seconds image will be ready and you can easily use this image anywhere. Now let me open this image. Here you can see this one is perfect. After that you can easily save this image in your laptop.